We get into it and we think one video is going to make us viral, and then all of our life, everything is going to change. Hi, Lovies. I know it's been a minute, but we are at the end of the year, and I just wanted to give you some practical tips when it comes to leveling up your content creation game for 2025. Comment below and let me know if you're a content creator, or if you are a business owner, or if you're just trying to get on the internet and create fun content. If that is you, this video is for you. If you don't know, I'm Fumi Ford, wife, mom, content creator, Nigerian born, but living here in the US. I've been creating content for a while now, and it is my passion. I'm a 6-figure content creator, trying to get to that 7 figures by God's grace. But you know what? Timing is everything. When it comes to your content creation, I want you to remember patience. Patience is the key. A lot of times we get into it and we think we're supposed to be millionaires overnight. We get into it and we think one video is going to make us viral, and then all of our life, everything is going to change. That's not necessarily true. I say this all the time. One of my favorite personalities was Issa Rae. Issa Rae was making content on YouTube for decades before she got to the place where she is now. I remember when she was making Diary of an Awkward Black Girl. I don't know if you guys remember that. I'll put a picture to the side, and I used to watch it all the time, and I used to think, why is this lady not famous? Why? And then I remember the day she took off on mainstream media, and everybody was like, oh, she's an overnight success. Where did she come from? She's doing all this. And I remember watching an interview where somebody was saying she was an overnight success, and I remember thinking to myself, overnight? This lady has been doing this on YouTube for decades. That is not overnight. If you think that's what overnight is, you're going to be sadly mistaken. Nothing good comes quick, and nothing good comes easy. Issa Rae put in days and days and nights doing this sketch show on YouTube, till one day somebody big picked up her show, and then she made this huge success of herself. Now she has her own production company. She has all these things, and she's a well-known name in the industry. But she started out with however many people she had on YouTube. Patience is the key. You have to persevere, you have to be consistent, and you have to be patient. When it comes to destiny and timing, they both have to be in alignment for it to take off. You might be in the right time, but you might not be in the right destiny. You may not be doing the right thing. You may not be on the right path, and you could miss the timing. You could be in the right path, be in the right field, have the right destiny, but the timing just isn't there yet. Both of these things have to come in alignment in order for us to reach that goal. So don't grow weary in well-doing. Don't think just because it's not happening now, it's never going to happen. The minute you start thinking like that, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You are what you think. You are what you say. So start speaking, it's my time. My destiny and my alignment, my destiny and my timing is now. Start speaking it, even when things don't go your way, even when rejection comes, even when the content isn't doing well, even when that boss isn't promoting you, even when that man is not coming. You've been praying for that husband, you've been praying for that wife. You have to stand firm saying, my destiny and my timing are coming into alignment. That's the first thing I want you to do. You have to change your mindset. You could change everything about yourself, but if your mind is the same, you will never get where you need to go. So first, change your mind. Second, be consistent. Be consistent with your content creation game. I talk about the difference between consistency and frequency. I don't care about frequency. I care about consistency. If you say you're going to post 2 days a week, post those 2 days. You can say, I'm going to post every day of the week. That's your frequency. That does not matter to me. I don't care if you post every day. I don't care if you post one day. I care that you post when you say you're going to post. So frequency is great. Consistency is better. Think about your consistency levels. Set things in place to help you with your consistency levels. Get on Planoly. Use YouTube Creator Studio. Use Facebook Creator Studio. Use all the tools that you need to set your goal in place. Start putting a calendar together. Every week, I'm going to post Monday and Wednesday. That means on Sunday, I need to shoot at least 4 pieces of content so that I can show up next week, Monday and Wednesday. That means on Monday, I need to draft both those videos so they can go out on their own, even if I don't touch it. Everything is set. So that means Sundays are my work days. Sundays I sit here and I post everything, the captions, hashtags, everything, and I set it up to go out on Monday. So even if something happens in my life, that content is going out with or without. I want you to think that way. You need to set up systems in place, because the difference between dreams and reality is action. I can sit here and I can dream about being the best content creator, but if there's no action behind that dream, it's just a pipe dream. Set actions in place. So if you know, like I said, you're going to show up Mondays and Wednesdays, Saturdays I'm shooting the content, Sundays I'm setting it up to go out. Be consistent, set systems in place to help you with the consistency. That's how you're going to win in this content creation game. The next thing you need to do is get on these platforms, right? Before the end of the year ends, one, sit down and write down every brand you've worked with. Sit down and write down every business you've worked with. If you're a business owner, sit down and write down every content creator that you've worked with. And think about how you can pitch them for next year. Two, get on these platforms, affiliate platforms, influencer platforms, all of these things that help put you before the brand. You have hashtag paid, you have Whaler, you have Aspire IQ, you have FOHR. There's so many of them that you can become a part of. I'm going to link down in the description some blogs that I've done with some of my favorite influencer platforms. Get on LTK, get on Amazon influencer program so that you're able to link the clothes and the items that you're wearing and be able to make money off of that. So get on these platforms. And then the last thing I want you to do is come up with a goal for how much you want to make. It's all great and fun to create content, but it can be really hard. You can burn yourself out when there's no income coming in. So figure out how much you want to make in 2025. And then think of 3 ways you can make that money outside of brand deals. So whether that's doing closet sales, whether that's doing meet and greets for people in your area where they pay a little money to come spend time with you, whether it's doing an ebook, whether it's doing affiliate platforms where you link what you're wearing and people can buy it. Think of other ways and other means for revenue outside of brand partnerships. Brand partnerships are great, but sometimes they're few and far between. You have to think, listen, I'm quitting my job. I need to make at least $10,000 a month. I need to make at least $5,000 a month. How am I going to do that? If I get $2,000 in brand deals a month, how am I going to supplement the rest of that? Maybe it's through affiliate platforms. Maybe it's teaching my audience how to buy from me. Maybe it's teaching my audience how to click that link, how to swipe up, how to buy off YouTube. There are so many ways to make money as an influencer, but you have to sit down and make that goal, write the vision, make it plain so that you can run with it. I really hope that this video helped. Comment and let me know any other video ideas that you want, and I will definitely get on top of making it for you. Go ahead, comment below, ask your question. I'll make a video specifically for you about that. And in helping you, I'm sure I'm helping all of us as a community. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick little video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in my Instagram DMs or on my email down below. All right. I love y'all. I'll see you at the top. Bye.